Hi everyone, Sal here from Khan Academy. So for most of human history, when we were either hunter-gatherers or early farmers, we had a lot of time where we would just look at things and not be overstimulated. There'd just be a bubbling brook. But now we're constantly stimulated by social media, by things we have to do at school, things that we have to do at work, our cell phones ringing, getting different text messages. And before we know it, in modern society, our brains, our thoughts are taking control of us. And we actually don't have as much peace and as much stillness as we would like. And so one thing that I found in my life is if every day you take some time out to just let your mind be still, you start to observe your thoughts, that it can be incredibly powerful. It's going to improve your mood, and it's going to just make you an overall happier and more functional person.